Why'd you stop?
The horse stopped.
Well, then you're not steering anymore. No, Isaac.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, Isaac can't ride on Ginger.
Or he hasn't ridden enough.
Why? Because we said so?
You want me to move out of the way there, Ginger?
No.
We want to pull on one rein, on the right rein, just the right rein, and push your left one forward. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Pull them both back to stop. Yeah. Girl. Yeah.
Are you cooled down, man?
Oh yeah, she's cool.
You gotta let me off, dude.
Oh, okay, yeah. You can go ahead and stand up.
I'm glad I'm getting this on video.
Stand up. Just stand up. Like right here. Now, hold on and swing your right leg over her rump and the back foot over her rump. Yeah. Okay. Hold. Good girl. Now, take your leg out of the stirrup before you jump.
Oh, both of them?
Yeah. Okay. There you go. And you left ear. You got